We're gonna unbox these covers for a Kenworth Air Ride seat so you can see everything that you're getting. Let's tear these babies open. So, you are gonna get one seat back cover. This one has got some sweet looking embroidery on there. That's custom, but we can definitely do your logo for you. And this one has got 2 armrest covers because this seat's got armrest on both sides. And then there is a seat bottom cover with the string lock. So there we go, seat bottom, seat back, 2 armrests, and very importantly, your install guide. Read this, it'll be helpful, I promise. Now that we've got these covers installed on the seat, you can see what they're actually supposed to look like. Both armrests are covered, and that's nice because when you got people driving in here, you get your elbow rubbing on here, it keeps the armrest in good shape. They still go up and down like they're supposed to. You can still access your little adjuster wheels on the bottom here to change the angle of the armrest. And all of the seat functions still work just like they're supposed to. These covers are almost impossible to wreck. So this truck is new, and when they go to sell this truck, the seat underneath here is gonna be brand new. These things come with a 2-year warranty, and the best part, they're made in the USA. Also, check this out. That's that embroidery we showed you earlier. Doesn't that look good on there? We can put your company logo on there just the same.